So I gave the Parmentier a full half hour in the oven. Here's what we have. I really love the golden brown bubbles on the top, and it's very hot. But what I want to do is crack that lid and just give us a really nice looking potato topped vegetable dish. And as you can see, I have my bread. So let's go ahead and take that baby right down the middle. Let me just show you. And there we have it. It's pretty good. No great British Bake Off, but it's pretty good. So this dish, again, the Unity bread, is very important to support chefs who are supporting all of the displaced people in Ukraine and around the world. A beautiful vegetable dish that I think you could use this bread with a little butter or honey and you'd have a perfect meal.